Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom App ID on your Windows PC. This is essential if you're looking to integrate Zoom's functionality into your own applications, or if you need to connect third-party tools with your Zoom account. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to marketplace.zoom.us. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Zoom credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has the necessary permissions to create apps, as this typically requires administrative access. Enter your email and password, then proceed to sign in. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll find a button labeled Develop. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Build App. This is where you'll initiate the process of creating your new Zoom application. Now you'll be presented with several app type options to choose from. These might include General App, Server-to-Server OAuth App, or Webhook-only app, among others. Each type serves different purposes depending on how you intend to use the integration. Take a moment to consider which app type best fits your needs. For instance, if you need server-level authentication without user interaction, the Server-to-Server OAuth app would be ideal. Once you've decided, select your preferred app type and click Create. The system will now generate your new app and take you to the app configuration page. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation panel with various options. Look through this panel until you find the sections labeled Client ID and Client Secret. These are crucial pieces of information that act as your app's unique identifiers and authentication credentials. Click on the Copy button next to each one to copy them to your clipboard. Make sure you store these securely, as you'll need them to authenticate your application with Zoom's services. Never share your client secret publicly, as it provides access to your app's functionality. And that's it. You've successfully created your Zoom App ID and obtained the necessary credentials to start integrating Zoom into your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.